Hello, today I want to show you how to create a Google Doc on Google Drive and also how to share that document. So first you want to open your browser, whatever that browser is, and on your address bar you're going to type drive.google.com. Once you log in, it's going to take you to the home page of the Google Drive, and from there you want to start a new. You're going to click on new on the left upper corner, and from there it's going to ask you what exactly you want to create, and you want to say Google Doc, and it's going to give you the option to create a blank document or to create one from a template. What we want to do is to create a blank document. Once the document is loaded, you want to title your document, and for this you want to say for activity number 1, entrepreneurial quadrant, and you can name it whatever name you want to name it as long as you name it. And then on here you have the different options to start creating your document. This document is about activity number 1, and you can also create different, you can also change the font, you can change the size of your font, you can change the color of your font. This is basically working just as if you were working on a Word document. There are other features here that are useful. You can insert tables. For your quadrant, you want to have 4. You can create tables, as you can see. You can also insert images from your computer, or you can search the web or directly from your photo album. Once you have completed your document, and if you want to share your document, you're going to click on the share button that you can find on the top right corner. Once you click on that, it's going to give you this window where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Or also you can get a shareable link. Before you do that, you want to make sure that you select what type of access you're giving to the individuals that you're sharing the document with. If you just want them to be able to view it, you want to change that setting to can view only. Or if you want them to be able to edit your document, you can also give them that authority, or if they can just make comments. So if you just want them to be able to view it, you're going to hit on can view, and then once you're done setting the type of access you want to give to your document, you want to get a shareable link, and here the Google Doc is going to produce the link, and you can copy and paste that link. You can also click on copy link, and that's the link you're going to attach to your email, or you're going to insert into a different document, or just email it to someone. Once you're done, you can say send if you want to send it, or you can say done. So I hope this tutorial was useful on how to start a new Google document and how to share it once you have completed your document. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.